This RM 545T is an 18-inch lawnmower with a large Briggs & Stratton engine for power. Large grass box here, which is easy to take the grass out. One clip, grass can come out here. This will show you when the grass box is full, and easy to clip in and out of the lawnmower. To start the lawnmower, pull the handle up, pull the recoil, and then this machine is self-propelled, so it has drive for the lawnmower to go forward. This is a great domestic lawnmower for medium-sized gardens. Easy height adjustment here that allows you to easily move the height of cut. Large 70-litre grass box and standard 5 years warranty with all STIHL lawnmowers. And this is the great for medium gardens RM 545T. Height adjustment, easy to move up and down with this lawnmower here, with your number settings there. 70-litre grass box, 70-litre grass box, and with all STIHL machines, 5 years warranty. So an excellent lawnmower for medium-sized gardens, the RM 545T.